I trust you e-commerce merchants are fine, except hello from Jaydeep. Today in this video, I will be explaining what is e-commerce automation, why it is required, why as an e-commerce entrepreneur you should automate your e-commerce systems. Generally, an e-commerce systems includes like in the backend, if you consider you are importing your products, you are importing categories, you are managing inventories, and once a customer place an order, you are managing the orders with shipments, with invoices, with the credit memos. So in these processes, definitely many times we found you already know you are doing these things manually. So I will brief like what is e-commerce automation right now. So when your system like helps you to perform certain tasks where you have hired some executives to do, so with less human efforts, when your e-commerce tasks are done, that we can consider as e-commerce automations. Definitely, I will give you some examples so you can understand. The first I already gave is inventory management. Then other we can give is drop shipping, the order fulfillment, the customer support, the digital marketing, data collection. So these things might be like being done with your executives, backend executives, but it can be done as a automated system. As an easy example, I can like give you and consider is a shipment method. When you start your e-commerce, definitely with limited budget, when an order is placed, you will do the fulfillment your own. You will choose some partners who can do the shipment of your favor, so a customer can get it. But when times goes and you are earning sales and you have that budget, so how the automation can be done? uh, I will give you an example with some shipment companies like DHL, UPS, USPS, FedEx, and there are many Aramex. So these companies like fulfill your orders. It's like whenever the order is placed in your e-commerce systems, they will fetch the data from you. They will collect the items from you. They will deliver to the customer, and once or we can consider when the item is returned, they can also fulfill the same system, and it can be reflected to your e-commerce system as well. So this way the shipment can be automated. The second example I will explain about marketing campaigns. With newsletter signups, definitely you will be connecting your customers' email addresses. But to like give your marketing data and to reach your customers, definitely there should be some systems who collect data from your e-commerce system and send email marketing campaigns or other social media marketing campaigns to your customers. It should not be manual. You can do it automated with the systems. I will share some name like Sendinblue, Mailchimp, the SendPlus, HubSpot. They are booming in the marketings. The social media platforms like integrations are available: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. You can definitely do automated marketing, as well as you can go with Google ad campaigns with your e-commerce systems, so it can be automated and you do not need to do manual things. And it I would consider as a most important thing about customer support. Most of the times customer is like contacting you either via call or either via email, but you should have a one automated system where it is like being stored somewhere as a customer support system, and you can choose either third party extension or CRM to be connected with your e-commerce, where customer support tickets and the customer can be in connection with you as a automated system. Whenever you like submit any replies, it will be generate send a notification when they will reply you like once the ticket is closed, etc. So it should be also an automated system instead of like just manual emails or just manual calls. Along with this, nowadays people also use the e-commerce merchants like PIMCore. They use product information management because the executives they do not know like how to use the different e-commerce systems. But yes, some of the e-commerce like product information management tools they can use, and they are directly connected to your e-commerce system. Doesn't matter which platforms you are using, because the tools which are available in the market, or the tools or the owner of the companies, they develop the extensions or services for most of the famous e-commerce platforms like Adobe Commerce, Magento 2, the Shopify Plus and Shopify, the Shopware, the Big Commerce. So in my last example of product information management, you can do your automate update of your inventories, your product informations, and this way, like less number of resources you can use the human resources, and more you can use the tools. Now, how it is helpful and why should you invest in e-commerce automations? When you have like less number of human resources, when you do not have to time to do on your own, and you want like in less number of time the things could be done, like the whole e-commerce thing, starting from your product information, the category information, then the order fulfillment, after that the payment things, uh, and definitely it will save your time. uh, it will cost you for sure, but I would say you are also paying to your resources the same things you can pay to the tools itself. So invest in e-commerce automation, save your time and focus more on sales instead of doing the manual things. I hope this video would help you to set up your e-commerce along with e-commerce automation. If you have any query, definitely you can reach me. I will share some contact information which you can see right now on the video. Let's connect. Happy selling. Have a great day. Bye.